Hi friends, it's in the morning and we are going on a nature hunt. I'm going to give you a list of things to look for and see if you can find the same ones, and then we're going to talk about them at the end. What's the first thing we're looking for?
Bird.
What did you find?
Green grass. Yeah.
What is it?
Mud.
What did you find?
Stick.
What did you find?
Leaf.
What did you find?
Look.
What is it?
Pine cones.
What is that?
Shadow.
Whose shadow?
Mine. Deer prints.
What'd you find?
Rock.
Can you see and hear the cranes flying in the sky? See if you can find some birds. Thanks for going on a nature walk with us. We hope that you had fun.